Imagine earning exclusive rewards just by exploring DeFi on Algorand. No trading, no risk, just quests, points, and prizes. This week, the Algoland campaign enters week 3 and things are getting serious. From token swaps to yield farming, you can experience Algorand's top dApps and earn campaign rewards, including 2 tickets to Formula 1 Las Vegas. In this video, we're gonna break down how it works, what you missed in the first 2 weeks, and what's coming next. So make sure that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before getting into anything I share with you on my YouTube channel, and let's get into it. The Algoland campaign is a 13-week journey across the best dApps in Algorand ecosystem, where you complete quests, earn points, and unlock weekly and grand prizes. For the grand prizes, we have 100,000 Algo and a luxury vacation for 2, and also a Reese and Miller e-bike. Every quest and raffle earns you points, and more points mean higher chances of winning. So first of all, let's start by what exactly is Algoland. It's a campaign designed to help users discover how easy and fast DeFi, NFTs, and gaming are on the Algorand blockchain. Each week focuses on a theme from staking and gaming to minting NFTs, giving users a hands-on experience with the real Algorand dApps. And here is a quick recap for week 1. Week 1 was all about setup. It's about connecting your wallet, opting in, and referring friends. For week 2, we have the arcade market, which is a challenge with Alpha Arcade. And now we are entering the exciting part, which is week number 3. The DeFi week. This week's challenge dives into the world of decentralized finance. You will explore 3 major dApps. We have Flux Finance. So the task here is to deposit assets and explore lending or staking. We're gonna discover it in depth. Also, we have CompX. In this one, we're gonna do swap or provide liquidity to experience on-chain yield. And the third one is Pact, a powerful DeFi swap platform built on Algorand. In order to get the maximum points, we need to complete the quests on these 3 platforms. As you can see, guys, this is the week 3 tasks. Swap, trade, pack your bags for Dev Connect. So as you can see, we can go with the first one, which is about Flux Finance. So you can experience the DeFi at its best with Flux Finance on Algorand. The first thing you need to do is start quests, and here you need to connect a wallet. They support 3 options. We have Para, DeFi, and Loot. In my case, I already got Para. And to know how you can download Para, you can go to Get Started section. You'll find all the links down below in the description, so you can follow up with us the screen. And here, as you can see, we have the 3 DeFi wallets. So first of all, we can go with Para. Here you can go to their websites, and here you have the download link, whether it's on App Store or Google Play. So in my case, I already have the wallet. So now to connect the wallet, we're gonna go to quests, or you can go directly to connect wallet. We can go to Para, and you need to go to the application from your phone. As you can see here, this is the application. You need to go directly to the scan here, as you can see, to the scan. And as you can see, you can scan this QR code in order to connect to your wallet. As you can see, you need to click connect here. Then after this, you're gonna get 1000 points. So this is the quest for the week 1. As you can see, set up a wallet and OPTN. Also, you have a refer friends, so you can invite your friends and earn 1000 points, which is super easy. And for the second task, we have pick and predict. So this is about Alpha Arcade, and this is for this week. We're gonna discover it today in depth, how you can claim the maximum points. So here, as you can see, this is the first thing that you should do is to connect your wallet. Second thing is to go here and dive into the tasks. Task 1 is to swap with Flux Router. What you should do here is to tap the swap button to start your swap. Let's go here to start quest. So this is the dApp. As you can see, you can scroll here, click this button and then confirm. As you can see, you can go to swap, and here what you need to do is to pick the token you want to trade and the one you would like to get. But first of all, you need to connect your wallet. Also here it's the same. You can go to Para and then go to your phone. As you can see, you can scan again the QR. As you can see, it's super easy, guys. Click connect. Then after that, you can go to swap. You can choose here any coin. For example, let's go with this two. You can go here and click the amount that you want to swap. Then you can click swap. And after that, the task one will be done. As you can see, click swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. For the second task, we have deposit funds and start earning. So here we have a warning, do not deposit in the isolated markets. And here we have the first thing that we should do is to go to Fox Finance menu, go to deposit. As you can see, this is the menu bar. You go to deposit, and here you can choose any coin from those. As you can see, choose either USDC or Algo. As you can see, the minimum is $10, and in Algo the minimum is 100 tokens. So you can click deposit and confirm the transaction in your wallet. You can go click deposit. As you can see, then you can confirm your transaction. It's super easy. And as you can see, swaps and deposits happen right from the wallet. So super easy and fast. And don't forget to claim your shiny NFT badge to enter the weekly and grand prize draws. Each NFT badge marks your progress and gets you closer to a campaign glory. As you can see, when you complete all those tasks, you have the right to claim the badge, which is as an NFT. And then after getting this badge, you will be eligible for the grand prize and also the weekly prizes. As I told you, you can get a Formula 1 ticket to Las Vegas. As you can see, this is the badges. So here you can get a clear idea about each week badges. And for the second thing, we have CompX, mint or swap. So this is the tasks. For the first task, we have swap algo for XUSD. So you can go to the swap section on CompX. You can select the algo as your inputs and swap for at least 10 XUSD. After that, you need to approve the transaction in your wallet. In the second task, we have mint your X NFT. Head to the X NFT section. You can swap the algo or another asset for at least one X NFT token. And this token is redeemable for an X NFT. In the X NFT All Shuffles section, select your preferred collection and click mint. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm, shuffle, reveal, and claim your new NFT GPG. And after that, you need to approve each transaction as prompted in your wallet. So we can click here, Start Quest. You will go directly to the compx.io app. Then you can go here. We have the X NFT parts. Also, we have the XUSD parts. And as you can see, you can follow up those tasks, which is super easy. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. Para, it will appear the QR code and you need to scan it via your phone and you are in. After that, you can go directly to the third task, which is the Pact task. We have the first one is to make a swap. You can go to the swap page. As you can see, they have already the swap page here. So after that, you need to execute at least one successful on-chain swap transaction of any token pair available on Pact. You can choose any coin and do the swap. Approve the transaction in your wallet and you are in. For the second task, you need to add the liquidity to a pool. How to do this? You can go to the add liquidity page and their pools on Pact, and you can select Algo USDC, Algo POW, and Algo WBTC pairs. for liquidity pool and provide liquidity by depositing both assets required for the pool and approve the transaction in your wallet. For the third task, you need to join a yield farm. Go ahead to the farms. As you can see here, we have the swap, we have the pool, so you can go here and add liquidity. Also, we have the farm section here for staking. And as you can see, you can go to this farm section. You can stake LP tokens into an active yield farm and must have provided liquidity first to get LP tokens and successfully confirm the stake transaction on chain, and then after that approve the transaction in your wallet. And for sure, don't forget to claim your shiny NFT badge to get the weekly grand prizes and also the grand prize, as you can see here. And that's not all. The next few weeks are packed with even more challenges and prizes. In week 4 we have NFT and arcade week, mint, play and collect digital art. For the week number 5 we have a swap week. You can explore token swaps and earn unique prizes. In the week number 6 we have community minting. You can discover NFT domains and 3D collectibles, and each week brings something new, so stay tuned. Beyond the weekly challenges, Algorand is also running the startup challenge where projects can join for membership, visibility and part of a $125,000 prize pool. If you are building on Algorand, this is your time to shine. So here is a quick breakdown about this video. First of all, you need to connect your wallet, OPT into the campaign and complete your week 3 DeFi quests. Invite your friends to join this journey and wait for the upcoming weeks. Try to complete all the tasks in each week so you can be eligible for the grand prize, and don't miss your chance to be a part of the Algoland, the campaign that makes learning DeFi rewarding and fun. And this is another disclaimer, this content is just for educational and entertainment purposes only, so always do your before getting into anything, and see you in the next one. Peace out.